Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is very interesting because as you can see behind me we have my TV screen. Let me first show you what markings that are on the screen right now. It's a little fingerprints all over the screen. As you can see, this is what we're going to be trying to clean with the new products that I found on Amazon. But before we get to the product, I wanted to share with you some of the products that I've used and they have not helped. First one is Grandig, and the problem with this Grandig for me personally is that every time I use it, it doesn't really quite get the markings off, so you'll get the skid marks after. Spread it, spread. So the result I would usually get is that still have markings on the screen, and that's with this product. I don't know, maybe you all have had a better experience, but for me with a TV, it's not been a really good experience with this product. The other product is the hammer. Same kind of results. See how it's for the handprints? Again, it really doesn't take off the skid marks after you clean. The product that I found on Amazon is called Whoosh. Tech Hygiene Screen Shine. Comes very highly recommended, and everyone I guess who's used the products swears by it. So let's go ahead and test it on my TV screen and see how well it works. Also comes with a very big cloth. Go ahead and open it. Very big cloth actually. So we'll go ahead and test and try. See that? The difference? Let's go ahead and do this other side. No skid marks left. Whoosh! I'm sold. Love the product. Get it on Amazon.